Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you guys having a Ford C-Max hybrid or Energy from year 2012 to year 2019. You need to remove or replace air filters. Stay with us, we'll explain how to do that step by step. It's not so easy guys, but it's doable and you can do it yourself and save yourself quite a bit of money. All that will be covered in this video today. Before we start, let me just tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get at the garage guys, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Simply because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need guys in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these absolutely free videos for you. And for any of you guys that need to buy parts, tools, you want to save quite a bit of money on parts and tools for your Ford or any vehicle, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tools and supplies from. Let's go ahead and start on it now. So first we need to go ahead, okay, and now we're going to get that hose clamp loose. Okay, you can see this one, you can use a flathead screwdriver or you can use guys, okay, a 7mm. So we need to pre-loosen that one. This is the one for the intake that goes to the throttle body. Let's go ahead, do that. This one will be step number 1. So we gently get it loose, more because it needs to jump a lip so it can come out. Okay, you can see it's working like that. Perfect. Now if we grab it, okay, it comes out. Now right here we might be able to remove it from here too, because that's a very hard pipe that we can break. So let's go ahead. Okay, we're going to disconnect it from here too. Okay, that one. Okay, you disconnect it like that, you go to the side, you pull it out. Here you have another one that we need to remove. A little bit of a complicated design. Everything is compact here, packed really good guys, so you have to be super careful. Take your time, because that's a hard pipe. There is a seal there, and if you pry on it too much you will break it. Okay, so let's go ahead, okay, and pull it out now. Perfect. Let's inspect the throttle body, in what condition it is. Okay, on the inside it's dirty guys, it's dirty. We'll have a special video that explains how to clean throttle body on our main YouTube channel, how to repair guys. Check it out, it's very important. If you develop symptoms of bad throttle body, or you want to know the symptoms of bad throttle body, we'll have the video on the channel as well. So perfect, that one's ready. Now let's see. Okay, right here that connector needs to come up. Okay, that red thing needs to come up. You press here. Now unfortunately we have to remove, okay, there is electrical tape, okay, right here. Let's see if it's going to come out. Okay, okay, he did without cutting it. Perfect. So this one came out. Now that vacuum line, we need to pry that zip tie connector up. Okay, perfect, it came loose. Now that intake hose, that's for the air filter. Okay, let's see if this thing will come out. Okay, you can see kind of like here's a tooth right there. I need to just stretch it. No, it needs to come from like right here. Okay, perfect, came loose on that side. Now one more side. Okay, right here, let's try to pull at the same time while I'm doing that. One second, not yet. Okay, this one will come out. Okay, let's see if it's enough. If it's not, what we can do here, there is 2 bolts that you need to remove, and it will remove that pressure guys. So you'll be able to just simply get it out right here. Okay, that bolt started spinning quite a bit. Looks like a long bolt. Okay, longer than I thought. One right here that we need to remove. Okay, this will not work that way. We'll need to get a ratchet probably, or without extension. Perfect, great. Now we're going to go ahead. Okay, here it has a rubber seal, one here we need to lift up, and one right there that I broke loose. Now if we grab it, okay, let's see, on the back side we might have another seal, and gently start pulling that thing out. Okay, let me see where we are hitting now. Okay, perfect. And you can see that whole cover, okay, came out. You can see just like that. So your air filter is located, okay, in that box right here. We recommend not to work in your engine compartment because if you drop a screw or something, you will not be able to find it. So come on the side, put it on a cardboard or something, and go ahead, remove the bolt. There are plastic screws. Careful when you get them tied only by hand, because you can easily, guys, okay, you can easily actually strip those. And working on that. Okay, now we grab it like that, we pull up, and I guarantee you, okay, that this filter has never ever been cleaned before. You come from here, you pull it, you grab it, and this is your nasty air filter on your Ford C-Max Energi or Hybrid, guys. That's how you guys remove it, okay, if you need to replace it or anything like that. I believe this is the original Ford part right here. I'll put the link, okay, in the description of the video below, where you can get one from for a really good price and quick shipping. Yep, Ford Motor Company in the corner here. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching, and see you guys next time.